In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about how to make money as a fitness creator on Fahdu. And if you're wondering what Fahdu is, check out our previous videos for more insights about this amazing content monetization app. So, whether you're looking to earn a part-time income through your fitness content or want to turn it into your full-time career, you're watching the right video. Many fitness creators are already earning on Fahdu, and you can too. This app is completely free and specially designed to support talented Indian creators like you. I know, it's tough to monetize your hard work. And the worst part, there are so few options available for earning through fitness content. But that's where Fahdu comes in. You don't have to rely on anyone else. It's just you, your content, and your community. All you need to do is promote your Fahdu profile across your social media platforms and attract your audience with exclusive content. Now, what's exclusive? As the name suggests, it's about creating a unique strategy and sharing content like never before. Focus on the topics that are often overlooked and help your audience stay on track in their fitness journey. Connect with them on a deeper personal level and earn rewards in return. Every time you share your expertise, you get paid for it on Fahdu. What I love about Fahdu is that you can set your own prices for your content. I also appreciate how the Fahdu team is always there to help when I get stuck. Plus, they even offer you a free strategy to earn money on the platform. Even with just 5k followers, you can earn lakhs on Fahdu. Something nano creators could only dream of until now. It's real and it's happening. So what are you waiting for? Check out the Fahdu app today and start earning through your fitness content like never before.